Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's important to all of us, our mental health. We all have days when we feel overwhelmed, anxious, or just plain stressed out. But don't worry, we've got you covered with 6 easy ways to improve your mental health. Let's get started. Number 1 on the list is exercise. Not only is it great for our physical health, but it also releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. So, whether it's going for a run, hitting the gym, or even just taking a walk around the block, make sure to get your body moving. And the best part? You don't have to be an athlete to see the benefits. Even a small amount of exercise can make a big difference in how you feel. Number 2, get some fresh air. Sometimes we get so caught up in our daily routine that we forget the importance of simply being outside. Take a break from screens and technology, and spend some time in nature. Whether it's a park, the beach, or just your backyard, being in nature can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Number 3, prioritize your sleep. We all know how important sleep is for our physical and mental well-being, but it's easy to let other things take priority. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night, and try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. And if you're having trouble sleeping, try some relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Number 4, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment, and it can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Try incorporating mindfulness practices like meditation, yoga, or journaling into your daily routine. It's a simple way to bring a sense of calm and clarity to your mind. Number 5, connect with others. Social support is a key component of mental health, and it's important to have a network of people you can talk to and rely on. Whether it's friends, family, or a therapist, make sure you're investing time and energy into your relationships. Last but not least, take care of yourself. This means different things for different people, but it could include things like eating well, getting enough sleep, or taking time for yourself. Do something that makes you happy, and make sure you're taking care of yourself in a way that feels good to you. We hope these tips have been helpful for you. Remember to take care of your mental health, it's just as important as your physical health. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.